In today's fast-paced world, many people find themselves dreaming of a better life. They long for financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and the ability to live life on their own terms. However, turning these dreams into reality can often feel like an insurmountable challenge. If you're tired of just dreaming and are ready to start succeeding, then it's time to discover how top-rated affiliate products can transform your life today. Emotional objective: overcoming frustration and disappointment. Have you ever felt frustrated or disappointed by your current circumstances? Perhaps you've tried various methods to improve your situation but haven't seen the results you desire. This is a common experience shared by many individuals who are seeking success in their lives. Unique rationale: the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a unique solution for those looking to achieve their goals. By promoting other people's products or services through affiliate links, you have the opportunity to earn commissions for every sale made through your efforts. This means that instead of creating your own product or service from scratch, you can leverage existing successful products and tap into their customer base. What you'll get out of this article. Concrete takeaway number 1: an understanding of how affiliate marketing works. Concrete takeaway number 2: knowledge about top-rated affiliate products available. Concrete takeaway number 3: tips on how to effectively promote affiliate products. Concrete takeaway number 4: inspiration and motivation to take action towards success. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing involves 3 key players: the merchant, product creator, the affiliate, marketer, and the consumer, buyer. As an affiliate marketer, your role is to promote a merchant's product or service using various online channels such as websites, social media platforms, or email marketing. When a consumer makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Top-rated affiliate products available. Product A. This top-rated affiliate product has helped countless individuals achieve financial independence by teaching them the secrets of successful online businesses. With its comprehensive training program and ongoing support, it provides all the tools necessary to start and grow an online business. Product B. If health and wellness are your passions, then this top-rated affiliate product is perfect for you. It offers a range of high-quality supplements that have been scientifically formulated to support overall well-being and vitality. By promoting these products, you not only help others improve their health but also earn generous commissions. Tips on how to effectively promote affiliate products. Build an engaging website. Create a website that showcases the benefits of the affiliate products you're promoting. Provide valuable content related to your niche and include compelling calls to action that encourage visitors to make a purchase. Leverage social media. Utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube to reach a wider audience with engaging content about the affiliate products. Share success stories, testimonials, or informative videos that highlight how these products can transform lives. Email marketing campaigns. Build an email list of interested subscribers who are eager to learn more about the niche you're promoting. Send regular newsletters with valuable information while subtly incorporating promotions for the affiliate products. Inspiration and motivation. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning along the way. Many individuals have started from scratch in their journey towards success but have achieved remarkable results by leveraging top-rated affiliate products like those mentioned above. Conclusion. Stop dreaming about a better life. Take action today. By harnessing the power of top-rated affiliate products through effective promotion strategies outlined in this article, building engaging websites, leveraging social media platforms, and implementing email marketing campaigns, you can transform your life and achieve the success you've always desired. Don't let frustration and disappointment hold you back any longer. Embrace the opportunities that affiliate marketing offers, and start succeeding now.